Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by choosing categories and committing to the first distribution. Gather cash, envelopes, labels, and a simple ledger or spreadsheet. Decide whether you'll use physical envelopes or digital sub-accounts. Each has trade-offs. Cash enforces discipline, digital provides convenience. Once chosen, allocate amounts based on your fixed expenses and variable spending. Label each envelope clearly and record starting balances in your sheet. This immediate action gets funds working for you and creates the discipline that makes the dashboard meaningful. You now translate envelopes into a live dashboard. Open a spreadsheet or budgeting app and create columns for category, starting, spent, remaining, and notes. Enter each envelope's starting amount and use a formula so remaining updates automatically when you log spent. Add conditional formatting to highlight low balances and a totals row to verify cash flow. Make updating part of your routine, capture receipts or quick photos. This keeps numbers accurate and reveals patterns that let you adjust allocations strategically. You finish periods by reconciling cash and dashboard totals, which confirms the system's accuracy. Count envelopes or review digital balances, then transfer surpluses to savings or refill short envelopes before the next cycle. If numbers don't match, isolate discrepancies by checking receipt timestamps, recent entries, and whether a formula was overwritten. Correcting one formula or a missing entry usually resolves the issue. Make a single troubleshooting note so you avoid repeated errors, and then restart the next cycle with the lessons learned.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.